What is it?
Oh, a backhoe. So, why did you tell us that's a roller?
I said that's a roller. This is a backhoe. Huh?
Yeah, I see it.
You want to go see it?
Why is it not working?
Because it's taking a rest.
Rest?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Why? I see his big bucket.
Do you?
Yeah. I see his big wheels. Let's go see the roller.
Okay.
See how big it is. This is a backhoe.
Are you gonna run?
Yeah?
Go.
Run. Daddy?
Yeah. Yeah. How big is it?
It's 10 pounds, just like you.
Yeah, like Daddy?
Yeah.
I don't think Daddy's that quite big. Daddy's not quite that big.
What? Are you that big? Are you that big?
Oh, no. Daddy can stand next to it. You want to stand next to it?
Yeah.
Go touch it.
Can I touch the backhoe?
Can you?
Can I touch this?
Are you touching it right now?
Yeah. Can I touch the wheels?
Yeah.
Feel how soft these wheels are. Can I feel this? Can I go feel the backhoe now?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, one.
Okay, let's run.
I was the first one here.
You were.
Yeah.
You gonna touch the bucket?
Can I touch these?
Yeah.
Can I touch his big bucket?
Yeah.
Can I touch this? Ooh. Why there's dirt in his bucket?
Because you was picking up dirt.
But why is it not out?
Most of it is out.
Huh?
Most of it is out.
But why is that dirt not out?
Because they didn't empty it yet.
Huh?
They didn't empty it completely.
Daddy?
Yeah?
Some sand in my shoe.
Some sand is in your shoes?
Yeah.
You gonna shake it out?
See it? Some sand is not in it.
Remember, you gotta put the tongue underneath. There you go. There you go. Now buckle it.
Buckle it?
Yep, there you go. Put your Velcro on.
Is
There.
this a Velcro?
Velcro.
Velcro?
Yeah. We gotta get going. Mama's picking you up.
Daddy?
Yeah?
Wait, I didn't touch the other bucket.
Okay, go.
Okay. I want to touch the other stabilizer. I didn't touch the bucket.
What is it called?
A bucket.
And what's that one called?
Stabilizer.
A what?
A stabilizer.
A stabilizer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why there's some dirt over there?
Okay, let's go. We gotta get going, Papa.
I'm gonna touch this bucket first.
Okay.
Is there some dirt in this bucket?
Yes.
Can I see?
Yeah? Want Daddy lift you up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there yardage dirt in it?
See?
I don't.
Some dirt.
Huh?
There's some dirt. See? There's some dirt right here.
Why is it dirty?
Why is it dirty?
Yeah.
Because it's picking up dirt. Of course it's gonna be dirty.
Is it gonna wash off?
Yeah, when they're done. Yeah, when they're finished. They'll clean it.
They'll clean it?
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Daddy?
Yeah?
Are they gonna drive?
Yeah, not right now. They're fixing the road, see? Right?
Yeah.